Let's say the basic commands in GitHub. So the first one is Git Init. How we use it is as Git Init. You can see the example here. I want to use Git Init. Initializes a new, what does Git Init do means initializes a new Git repository in the current directory. The second one is Git clone. We can use it as giving commands like git clone, then the repository URL. You can see the example here, git clone, then https github.com example, then repo is our repository, and this is our repository URL. Git clone copies a repository from the specified URL to our local machine. Third one is git add. After giving git add command, we need to define the file which we want to add. So you can see the example here, git add index.html. Git add adds changes in the specified file to the staging area. Git commit. Git commit message is the comment we need to give in the git commit. So how we use is giving git commit space -m command and followed by git message. So this records changes in the staging area with the descriptive commit message. Git push. Git push uploads local changes to the remote repository on GitHub. So how we use is git push, then the origin, and we need to define the branch name. You can see the example here, git push origin and the branch is main. Git pull. Git pull downloads changes from the remote repository and integrates them into our local branch. How do we use is same as git push, but in the place of git push we are using git pull. Then we need to specify the branch. The seventh one is git branch. Git branch gives the list of all the branches in the current repository. So git branch is the command we use to do it. Git checkout. Git checkout switches to the specified branch from the current branch. The syntax is git checkout, then our new branch name, that is future branch. Git merge. Git merge combines changes from the specified branch into the current branch. The syntax is, the command is git merge, then the future branch. Then git status. Git status is used to show the status of changes in the working directory. Also, it gives in which branch we are working. So git status is the command. The last one is git log. Git log displays a log of commits in the repository. So the command is git log. So let's see all these commands in the coming videos later. So this is all about the command.